There you go. Good evening, guys. I just landed in Manila more than 10 hours ago, but I'm back to the grind. I'm in Naiya right now, headed to Hong Kong for a quick stop, then eventually to my final destination of Dubai. And it may be tiring. Jet lag has hit me a bit, but I keep saying this, that if you do what you love, you will never work a single day in your life. It's just you doing things that you love to do. And if you're employed, you're doing a business, I encourage you, find something that you love to do, find something that you're passionate about, because if you're passionate about it, no matter how tiring it is, no matter how hard it is, you will still push and you will still do it because it doesn't feel like work to you. So that's what stock investing is to me, and that's what sharing what stock investing is to me, to all of you guys. That I hope that videos like this help create a framework that we just continue to change the narrative of how more and more Filipinos move and trade and invest the markets with ease and confidence. So I'll be boarding in, I think, 20 minutes now, so I'll try to compress this 10 stocks, but this will be part 1. I'll try to make another set of stocks by request in Hong Kong later while I'm waiting. I have a few hours layover, so I hope I get to do it there as well. So first stock, this is also a shout out to Luisa Andrade, my cousin. She asked me about now this morning, and she was saying, yeah, I'll wait for the update tonight. So I'm making this one specially for her as well. A couple of things about now. I mentioned in videos past that there's a target price at 7 pesos per share, and as you've seen also, I think it happened last January 30, it tried to go past 7, failed to break near 7, failed to break out of it, then it retraced a bit, then suddenly a large candle happened yesterday, moved close to 7 pesos per share, then today went up past 7. However, as it went up past 7, it was not able to hold the 7 pesos per share. So why am I saying this? A couple of things that you need to look at is this: if the stock goes to 7 and it does not break out past 7, it does not go above 7, you have to remember I mentioned 7 as our target price. So if it doesn't go above 7, doesn't stay above 7, for those who are quick traders, that can be a reference point for you already to take profits. I repeat, 7 is our target price. Failure to break out of that, failure to stay above that, can be a soft sell signal already to people who are trading shorter durations. Next thing is this: looking at moving averages, looking at oscillators. We don't have any sell signal for that. So for those of you guys who are following that as your selling technique, we don't have anything yet telling us to sell at that point in time. So very, very important to follow your plan. Whatever moving averages that you have dictated and you've placed there, there's no sell signal yet, similar to other oscillators as well. So if quick traders have no sell signal from a oscillator level, position traders have no sell signal as well. So position traders, hold your positions. Quick traders, you can reference 7, but for those who are using moving averages, no sell signal yet. If it fails to break out of 7, I think it can retrace and go back again to around 5.25 pesos per share, which was the retracement level a few days ago. So there. So now we have second is TBGI. A lot of you guys also requested this over Facebook. So for those who are new to this video, by the way, this is a stocks by request where you send in your top requests via Twitter, Facebook, my website, and the top votes get included in the video as well. And by the way, just a quick plug, the reason why I'm here is I'm headed to Dubai for Stock Smarts UAE. If you are from Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Ruwais, or whatever portion of Dubai, I'm inviting you. Sessions start Friday and we will go Saturday, Sunday, and Monday and Sunday evening. So you get to learn more about stock trading and investing there while you are working in Dubai. Next, so TBGI, also similar to now, it started to break out from several resistances. What's notable for TBGI is it broke out of 0.47 pesos per share. With that, it accelerated the upward movement of the stock. After the breakout from that level, we know that there's a resistance now forming close to 0.70 pesos per share, or something, a short type of resistance that could be your target price as well. So why am I saying this? Failure to hit, break out, or stay above 0.7 can be a soft sell signal already for quick traders. I repeat, for TBGI, failure to break out, stay above, or hold above set 0.7 will be your take profit signal for the stock. So from oscillators perspective though, for quick trading, if you're using oscillators, we don't have a sell signal yet for the stock at this point of time, no. But similar also to position traders, no sell signal also for the stock from a position trading narrative using technical analysis. So talked about TBGI. Let's look at the next stock, another one that has been high flying over the past few days. I'm talking about Golden Haven. You have to remember, no matter if it's good news, bad news, if it's speculation, there will always come to a point where a stock will hit some sort of some point where people who invested early will now take profits, and it's starting to show. We're seeing some sort of soft resistance at 180 pesos per share. So why am I saying this? For Golden Haven, HVN, comment below if you have HVN. People have been asking me when is the best time to sell. So you can place a soft sell signal if it fails to break out of 180 pesos per share. That can be a trigger for you if you are a quick trader now. But same thing, oscillators, moving averages are not showing us any reversal yet. It's still showing us that the short, mid, and long-term movement is still going up. But for those who want to maximize it, I'm seeing some sort of hesitation at 180 pesos per share. Position traders, hold your position. We don't have any sell signal yet. No parameters are telling us to take profits as of this point in time. So now, TBGI, HVN, number 4. Fourth stock I want to talk about is SM. So if we have the smaller companies, breaking ground, breaking out, going high upon high, we have the larger cap stocks. Since the past few days now, we've seen a lot of foreign selling from foreign investors. Majority of those that were sold down were how do I put it, large cap stocks, and those that have large market capitalizations, and those are your ALIs, your ACs, your SM Prime holdings. So with that, we saw SM hit a red, very large candle today as well. It failed to hold and stay above 1,000 pesos per share. So from a tech perspective, that's significant, because if it fails to go high or hold above 1,000, I think it can retrace to around 930 pesos per share for the short term. But this is not something that should be new for you, because a few days ago it hit 1,140 and it failed to break out from that level. So that is now the resistance for SM. Please take note of this. If should SM go hold and bounce from 1,000 pesos per share, your soft target price will be, for quick traders, if it stays above 1,000, buy at 1,000, target price is 1,140 pesos per share for the short term. Fails to hold that, stay away. It can retrace to around 930 pesos per share for the short term for SM. Next, let's talk about URC. There you go. URC as well. What's interesting about URC, please, for those who use moving averages, please check out the moving average at 155 pesos per share. It bounced off of that. So whatever movement we are seeing from URC now is because of the bounce from the 155 peso moving average, which is a very strong support. So position traders, you can buy as long as it bounces and holds above 155 pesos per share. Again, I repeat, position traders, buy as long as 155 will hold. If 155 does not hold, sell. You may suffer a loss also if you bought above 155, but if it goes below that, the stock will turn bearish already for the short, mid, and long term. For quick traders, the breakout from 155 will give you a target price of 175 pesos per share. So I repeat, breakout from 155 will give you a target price of 175. If 155 does not hold later on, it could possibly retrace to around first downside target will be 150, second downside target will be 138 pesos per share for URC. So there, position trading, again, please watch 155. Quick trading, those who bought at the breakout of 155, your initial target price is 175. If 175 is broken out from, I believe the stock could go to as high as 185 pesos per share. So breakout, bounce from 155, breakout from 155, 175, breakout from 175 can go to 185. 155 does not hold, it can retrace to 150 to as low as 138 pesos per share. Alright, so I'm about to board already. I'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more stocks also, but I'll do that already in Hong Kong. I just need time to be able to process this video. No, I haven't done Facebook Live lately because I need to find a way to be able to use this new camera and sync it to do Facebook Live as well. So this is something that I would do raw, and as I do it raw, I quickly and directly upload it. But yun lang, the limit is I can't do it Facebook Live style like I used to do with my phone. But with that, there's just a delay in processing it and uploading it in the web as compared to doing Facebook Live. So we talked about now DBGI, HVN, SM, QRC for the next update. In the next, I'll do it in the next 3 hours. So Manila's already asleep by that time, but Dubai, UK, Qatar, US, you guys are still awake, and I hope you get to see that video as well. It's always for you. So that's it. To those from London, CDO, Taiwan, who did our stock smarts recently, I hope that this time, so when the market's starting to hit a support level, you are using the learnings that we had to help you gain the confidence to actually position well and trade the markets with confidence. To all of you in Dubai, excited to see you. Just 2 more days and we'll have stock smarts there very, very soon. So this is part 1 of Stocks by Request. I hope this helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo from Mabuhay Lounge here in Manila. See you in Hong Kong soon. Bye-bye.